Distribution of knowledge is a critical component of progress. This is why this year I have decided to team up with a new bunch of youngsters and share what I have learned from my last year's experience at the Kibo Robot Programming Challenge.
Working in a team always excites me, as it needs team combination, integrity, and participation. It gives us a high chance for enriching our knowledge and enhancing our skills. From writing codes from scratch and implementing on the simulation, and guess what? Your final simulation scores better than the previous one.
So my experience at Kibo-RPC was great. I loved every bit of it. I learned so much about Astrobee and space robotics in general. The whole competition was a mixture of stress and fun. It was a very odd mixture of stress and fun, especially on the day we got our results. If I had the chance to do it all over again, I'd do it all over again. And just know that next year we're coming to dominate, inshallah.
I got to know about Kibo-RPC in 2021 when second Kibo-RPC happened. From that time I was very curious about Astrobee and I got the opportunity to take part in this competition this year, and it was a really learning experience for me.
We have implemented our self-made algorithm in Astrobee to make it work perfectly. Also, we have worked with computer vision, image processing, and some popular pathfinding algorithms so that the rover can run more accurately.
We divide our work in path planning, detection, tracing, computer vision work, simulation, Android Studio, and mathematics. I work on some image processing algorithm and OpenCV, but when we use half circle detection, it was working properly and it perfectly detected the circles.
Working together in this team, definitely learned something from my fellow mates. All of us worked all over the night to find the best path and to find an efficient algorithm to score higher.
Luckily, we had some outstanding members in our team. They always help each other through the whole process. Even the seniors managed to take special job sessions in order to support us. They all chip together in the crucial moments. I've never seen such a great teamwork in other teams that I've worked before.
I came to contact with our seniors and I told them about my interest team, and I was eagerly waiting to join a new team and learn something new. It was a very wonderful journey for me. I learned new things from there and I came to learn about how to work under pressure.
The STEMX 365 discussion meetings were critical to our path in securing a place in the top 3. Whenever we ran into any difficulties, Nijam sir and Sabap was always there to help us. The STEMX 365 platform had a very friendly environment. We even had some friends from Tunisia joining us. We wouldn't have gotten this exposure if it weren't for STEMX 365.